Hi friends, welcome back to class. This week we are going to do our very first music lesson together. And I thought that we could talk about dynamics. Dynamics is how loud or how soft the music is played or sung. So today I'm going to show you an example of a few dynamics on this chart, and I'm going to practice them on the piano. And you at home can practice with your voice and make your voice match the dynamics of the instrument. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. The first one I want to talk to you about is piano. Not like a piano that you play, but a piano like a sound. And it is a very soft sound. Just soft, easy going. Try to sing a song with your voice soft and quiet, kind of like a lullaby. It's just a very soft, easy sound to listen to, right? Piano. The opposite of piano is forte. Now, that is a big, strong word, and it means a very loud sound. Forte. Loud, right? Loud. You can make your voice sound this way by pushing air out from the bottom of your belly out. That's called projecting. And we use a big, loud voice when we sing this way. Try it. What song could you sing like that? Can you think of a few? Can't wait to hear what you think. All right. The next one is pianissimo. Now, if piano means soft, I wonder what pianissimo means. Just very soft, very quiet, right? Just a very soft sound, almost like a whisper. Now I bet you already know the opposite. Fortissimo, right? Very loud. Fortissimo! Just a very loud sound. You can make your voice sound like that without making it sound like it's shouting. It's just a firm, strong, very loud sound. Very loud. There are dynamics in all kinds of songs that we listen to, and the dynamics change throughout the song. It can start with a very piano, very soft sound and move into forte, a very loud sound. So our job as musicians is to listen and observe what we're hearing. So we're going to practice that today. You are going to go back to the music main page on my distance learning classroom, and you are going to click on the purple headphones that say Surprise Symphony. You're going to listen to that sound and keep in mind the dynamics that you're hearing. And while you're listening, you can doodle. Okay? You can use crayons, markers, pencils, whatever you have. But I like to use ones that give me a lot of color options. So in my example video, which you can also find on that page, I use markers. And while I'm listening to the song, I'm just kind of drawing with lines the sounds that I'm hearing. And it starts off one way, and then I'm not going to ruin it because it's a surprise, but the dynamics change. And when the dynamics change, what I'm drawing on the paper also changes, okay? So your goal, once again, go back to the art main page, click on the purple headphones, listen to Surprise Symphony and doodle while you listen. And then 3, next week when we meet for our live lesson, you can post a picture of your doodle in our comments so I can see it too. I cannot wait to see the amazing things you come up with, and I hope that you find the lesson fun and the symphony surprising. But I will see you next time. Bye-bye.